Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Hargarath here. Isabel's over here playing with some stuffed animals. So good to see everyone. It is Monday around a little after 2 o'clock here. Where is the snow? I figure we were already off. It's just raining here, though. So it was there's a monster in my fridge. And Click Clack Moo Cows It Type, and there's a monster in my fridge 1. So we are going to read that today. Now this is one that we got for Isabel here at the house, and it's one she hasn't been able to read yet, just because it's actual pages where it's a paper, and she'd end up tearing these. We're trying to put hand sanitizer on a stuffed animal. No, just because you say please doesn't mean you can use it. No. Yeah, she knows please now. So there's a monster in my fridge, and I get a kick out of this. So there's a shopping list down here, and it says baked brains, hairball soup, fish's fingers, monster mash, and then this monster over here actually took off the rest of the list here and is eating it. It's silly, isn't it? Do you want to sit with me? Here. Say hi. Can you say hi? Okay. So there's a monster coming out of a hat and says party this way. Oh, there he is again. Right here, now it's flashlight. There's a monster in my fridge. Oh no. What's that hiding behind the door? Its feet have squelched across the floor. Take care. Don't look. It's vile and smelly. Oh, look at that kitchen. It's a mess. Now watch. A monster eating raspberry jelly. Look at all the monsters in the fridge. Look at all of them. Oh my goodness, this one is just slurping down the jelly. Oh, and it's so cute. The normal things you would find in the fridge are all looking very scared and unsure. Oh no, I know. Oh no is right. Ooh, and there's bugs up there too. Yucky. What's that hiding behind the screen with a pointy hat and skin of green? What do you think it's going to be? Oh, Mommy. No, you didn't do anything. I'm much too scared to look. Are you? Are you much too scared to look? You are? Oh no. Oh, look, there's little hair monsters. A witch is using glitter glue. Oh, look at that. Looks like she's all getting dressed up for a party. No, I need those to read. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Below our stairs, it's dark and cold. It's full of spiders, dust, and mold. Shine a light in if you dare. Ooh, you see the shadows? I see shadows. A vampire in his underwear. Oh, it's so silly. He has bats on his underwear. Hi, Colin. Bats. What's that splashing in our bath? It has a hollow, rattly laugh. Take a peek. Go on. Be brave. Oh, what do you think it is? Oh, I don't know. Oh, there's that little hair monster again. Oh, no. Oh, they're brushing their teeth. Oh, there's one. Look at it's in the toilet. Twin skeletons making a tidal wave. Oh my goodness, look at the mess. Oh, it actually looks like they cracked the tub right here. That is just going to make a really good big mess. Ow. Ow, why are you owing? Tucked in bed, there's something scary. Its fangs are sharp Its back is hairy. Lift the sheet. What will you find? What do you think it's going to be? What do you think it's going to be? Oh, that makes sense. A werewolf scratching his behind. That's silly. Ow. Ow. But look, what's this? A secret door? A staircase to another floor? Quiet as mice. Don't dare to speak. Slowly lift the trapdoor. Creak. Tiptoe carefully as can be. Who's that hiding? Who do you think it's going to be? Who do you think it's going to be? Boo! It's me. Oh, and look at that. You have to look in there and there's a mirror. That's silly. It looks like they were all getting actually ready for some sort of a dance. There is that witch with the glitter glue. There's the vampire, but he got his pants up. Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself in the mirror? There's the monster that was eating the jelly. The werewolf, he's not scratching his behind anymore. And the skeletons, they're over here doing a dance. Doing a little dance. Let's see, they're right back here. Okay, that was a cute one. Okay, I had the surprise ending there. I don't know if I'd want to live in that house, though. I got the books there. Okay, so for tomorrow, I picked out 2 books. This one is Dog and Mouse. And this one is called Give Me Back My Book. So Dog and Mouse, or Dog and Mouse, or Give Me Back My Book. You want this one? You want that one? Okay. Well, maybe they'll vote and you can pick that one. They'll pick that one, okay? Okay, boys and girls, I hope you are having a real nice time. I do miss you. I hope to see you soon. Bye. Can you say bye real quick? Say bye. Say bye.